everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 28 of my 31-day series of getting your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So this is just a cute little idea. I wish this were a bigger idea, but it's just a little idea. This is a cute little 3-tiered basket that can be found on Etsy. And it's really cute for like your little scrap balls of yarn. I could see this filling up really quickly with little scraps. I think it's really a cute idea. It's definitely more decorative than functional in my opinion. If it were 4 feet high, I think it would be very functional for me, but it's still cute. And I could definitely see this being on someone's desktop where they're doing their crafts, or maybe on the countertop of a local yarn store. I think that would be a really cute place to have something like this. So let me know what you think of this. Maybe you actually have this and would like to tell me about it. What do you put in it? Do you put just yarn in it, or do other things go in it as well? I think it's a really cute idea. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos as much as I'm enjoying making them. This was a shorter one today, but it's, like I said, short. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow for day 29. We are almost done with this series. I can't even believe it. I've really enjoyed making it. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.